Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the previous year GATE question number 4. This question they have asked in the exam GATE 1998. So let us read the question. The uncontrolled electronic switch employed in power electronic converters is, okay, they have asked for the uncontrolled uncontrolled electronic switch. Okay, so important word is the uncontrolled. Okay, and they have given the 4 options. Okay, so if you check the first option, it is a thyristor. So let us discuss whether thyristor is a controlled or uncontrolled. Yes, at the time of thyristor only we have discussed the thyristor is a controlled switch. It is a semi-controlled switch, right? Thyristor is a semi-controlled switch, means it can be turned on. It can be turned on by using the gate signal, but if you remove the gate signal, it will not turn off. It cannot turn off. So that's why it is known as the semi-controlled switch. Okay, and it is a charge controlled. It is a charge controlled device. Thyristor is a charge controlled device or the switch. Second one is the bipolar junction transistor, BJT. So if you check BJT, it is a fully controlled switch. It is a fully controlled switch, right? BJT is a fully controlled switch. Why it is a fully controlled? Yes, if we change the base current value of the BJT, right, about to that of the, yes, threshold value or the, yes, respective set threshold value, then the BJT will turn on. And if the base current value is less than that of the threshold value, the BJT will turn off. Means we can turn on as well as turn off the BJT depending on the base current value. Okay, so therefore it is a fully controlled switch and it is a current controlled. It is a current controlled switch, right? It is a current controlled and it is a fully controlled, right? Third one, it is a diode. Yes, what about the diode? Diode is a uncontrolled switch. Diode is a uncontrolled switch, right? Because in the case of diode, yes, we can turn it on if it is in the forward bias mode. Means whether we are applying the, we are connecting the external signal. No, we are only connecting the external supply to the diode. Okay, be careful, external supply is not the external signal, right? So in the diode we are not having the terminal to provide the controlling signal. Okay, so it is an uncontrolled switch. Diode is an uncontrolled switch. Next, fourth one is the MOSFET. If we check MOSFET, metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. Okay, in the case of MOSFET, yes, it is a fully controlled switch. MOSFET is a fully controlled switch. In the video lectures we already discussed, it is a fully controlled switch. Okay, and whether it is a voltage controlled, current controlled or charge controlled, it is a voltage controlled device. It is a voltage controlled switch, right? MOSFET is a voltage controlled. Okay, so it is a fully controlled and it is a voltage controlled. Which voltage is controlling the MOSFET? The voltage is VGS, get to source voltage, that is a VGS. Okay, this voltage is controlling the, yes, MOSFET's mode of operation. Okay, means if the VGS value is below to that of the threshold value, then it will be in the off state. If the VGS value is greater than that of the threshold value, then MOSFET will be in the on state. Okay, so uncontrolled switch means what? It is a diode. Correct option is option C. Okay, so this is about the question number 4. This question they are asked in the exam GATE 1998. In the next video we are going to discuss the previous year GATE question number 5. Thank you.